Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to show cash on delivery based on country. So mostly cash on delivery will be available for the native or the default country which the store is selling. For example, if a store is selling all over the world, people from India only can purchase through cash on delivery. So we try to set up that thing particularly. So for this, I'm using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you come to the homepage of the particular app. So from here, you can see limit cash on delivery. So we click on this configure button. We enable the global rule. Then we select the cash on delivery payment method, right? And if you already have any fees for cash on delivery, you can enable this and you can select that particular fee which is related to cash on delivery. So we don't have any fees, so we are disabling this. Next section is we go to the location one. Then we enable restrict based on country. From the conditions, we select allow COD for this country, right? So I'm selecting India. So I need cash on delivery only for India, right? And if you have multiple countries, like if you are selling on Middle East and you need cash on delivery for UAE in Saudi, you can select both of them. That will work. And after selecting, you can save the changes, right? So now we try to test our settings. So I'm just reloading it once and going to check out. So I'm just checking out. So you can see when the country is Canada, and if I fill an address, you can see cash on delivery is not there. And if I change to India, so you can see cash on delivery is there. We test with filling an address also, right? So I'm just filling an address. Yes, cash on delivery is still there. And one more time, I'm changing to Denmark or something, right? And you can see cash on delivery will be still there. But if I fill any full address, right? So I'm filling a full address, you can see cash on delivery will not be there. So when you fill an address only, Shopify will get, okay, this person is trying to check out from Denmark, right? So yeah, this was how you can show cash on delivery based on countries. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.